Well, students, today we are going to discuss about the B.Ed. This is a orientation class of B.Ed according to the Punjabi University Patiala syllabus. Right, guys? First, I want to tell you about the syllabus. B.Ed, it is a 2-year course under Punjabi University Patiala. In a semester 1, you have to give the 7 papers, right? The first paper is philosophical perspective in education. I just zoom it. First, the name of first paper is philosophical perspective in education. The paper would be of the 100 marks, right? 70 marks theory hai. You have to appear for the theory. 70 marks का theory का paper आएगा and 30 marks is for the internal assessment. Paper 1, right? Semester 1 जो है 500 marks का है. The paper 2 is psychological perspective in education. Right? Under this paper 70 marks की theory है, 30 marks की internal assessment है. And third paper, the name of third paper is teaching learning process. Teaching learning process. And in the teaching learning process 70 marks की theory and 30 marks का practical है. Right, guys? So basically in a semester 1 you have to appear for 7 papers. Okay? Out of a 7 papers, 3 papers would come of 100 marks. KU के स्टूडेंट्स और CDLU का भी यही सिलेबस है, राइट? पेपर बस ऊपर नीचे हैं, राइट? अदरवाइज सिलेबस इज सेम. सो आउट ऑफ ए 7 पेपर, फर्स्ट 3 पेपर्स आर ऑफ 100 मार्क्स. ये 100 मार्क्स के पेपर हैं, 100 100 100, राइट गाइस? फोर्थ और फिफ्थ पेपर, फोर्थ इज and fifth is your teaching subjects. Out of a 7 papers, 5 subjects are compulsory to all who has come from the different background. But जो 2 teaching के subjects हैं, it depends upon what you have studied at the graduation level, right? Maximum जो students हैं उनके SST English हैं, some are taken SST Hindi, some has taken science because they came from the different background. Okay? तो जो आपके पेपर हैं ये टीचिंग के पेपर हैं. टीचिंग के एग्जाम्स आपके इट वुड बी ऑफ 50-50 मार्क्स. ओके, 5 पेपर हो गए हमारे. नेक्स्ट लास्ट में देखिए, लुक एट लास्ट 6 पेपर. द नेम ऑफ 6 पेपर इज लाइब्रेरी रिसोर्सेज एंड आर्ट इन एजुकेशन. इट वुड बी ऑफ 50 मार्क्स, राइट? एंड 7th पेपर इज एक्सपीरियंशियल लर्निंग. ये भी आपका 50 मार्क्स का होगा, राइट गाइस? So after this lecture, okay, you will get this syllabus also as well as recording of this lecture also, right? It is all about the syllabus. Now I show you the semester 1. Okay, what would be the detailed syllabus of the semester 1? This is a semester 1. The name of first paper is philosophical perspective in education. Okay, it would be of 100 marks, 70 marks external or internal 30, right? There are 2 sections. ये sections हैं हमारे पेपर 1 के. सेक्शन ए में फिलोसफी है, एजुकेशंस है, फिलोसफी ऑफ एजुकेशंस है, सम इजम्स हैं, और सेक्शंस बी के अंदर 5 थिंकर्स हैं हमारे, एजुकेशनल थिंकर्स, गुरु नानक देव जी, टैगोर, गांधी, कृष्णमूर्ति एंड विवेकानंद. एंड आफ्टर दैट वी विल डू द एजुकेशनल एम्स 64, 66, 86 और लास्ट में वैल्यूज है. इट इज ऑल अबाउट पेपर 1. ओके, टुडे वी विल डिस्कस दिस पार्ट, एजुकेशन एंड इट्स नेचर. ओके, after this I'll discuss education, its nature and scope. Okay, it is same for the Punjabi University Patiala student as well as for the Kurukshetra University students and CDLU and other students, right guys? So I think you have understood about the syllabus. Okay, total would be of the 7 papers. Okay, first semester is of 500 marks. Out of a 7 papers, first 3 papers are of the 100 marks, right? 100 100 100 300 and remaining 4 papers are of 50 marks, यानी कि 200 marks. तो 500 का पेपर you have to appear, right guys? So do you have any question so that I should start my lecture from the first topic, education? So I think it is clear to all of you, right guys?
Yes sir.
Okay, so thank you so much all of you. Thanks guys.